Okay, this is Tina. She's a very delicate cat. So we're going to start with her body piece. That straight edge is going to get lined up with the straight edge at the bottom of the block. And then her head, just like all the other ones, she's a pretty standard cat from this pattern, although her head is at a dramatic angle. And then we're going to put her ears in. They always get tucked behind the head. And then a little nose. And her two eyes. And there you go. I love it when cats have their heads turned like that, and you can do that with just about any of the ones in the pattern. All of the ones that have a separate head and shoulders piece, you can always play around with the angle of that to have fun and give them a little bit different expression.